A great way to kick off your big day at Small Business Expo while everyone is fresh and excited is sponsoring our welcome breakfast. We all know that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and so is brand recognition. This is the perfect opportunity to get your brand in front of customers before our show officially opens.
Hello and good morning. My name is Mel Frazier and I am the Senior Marketing and Engagement Manager at Intuit QuickBooks. It is a pleasure to be here in Atlanta at the Small Business Expo. My team and I, along with Intuit QuickBooks, are partners here with the Small Business Expo, and we are the sponsors of the morning breakfast. You might be saying to yourself, well, why did you choose the morning breakfast? We chose the morning breakfast to make sure that we're at the top of the mind for all of the people that are attending the Small Business Expo. Yes, it's early, but when they hear the name Intuit QuickBooks early in the morning, they will stop by our booth and come and check out all of the services and solutions that we have to offer. I'm really excited about this breakfast because we had the opportunity to have so many brand awareness. We had this lovely sign, these QuickBooks tumblers, as well as the napkins, and need I tell you that the entire place was filled with brand awareness from the TV station. So our partners at Small Business Expo, I want to thank you for making all of this possible for us, taking the vision and dream that we had and making it possible.
From top to bottom, your brand will be showcased throughout the breakfast with custom color linens and ambient uplighting to enhance the atmosphere. Your logo will be showcased on our HD TV displays, as well as backdrops, napkins, cups, and signs. You may also showcase your company's literature around the room to add another level of exposure while attendees are networking. You have the opportunity to speak at the breakfast to engage with hungry business owners who are ready to be educated and take on the day. Our team will handle all the pre-show marketing to drive the most amount of traffic to the breakfast. As a sponsor, you are promoted in our app, the agenda, e-blasts, and push notifications will be sent out prior to the breakfast. With a tasty selection of breakfast foods and beverages, there's no better place to sponsor than our welcome breakfast. We also offer upgraded food and beverage options, including coffee bars and hot food stations. If you are interested in sponsoring our welcome breakfast, reach out to us today.